Everybody, it is March the 3rd, Thursday, and a beautiful day in paradise. I heard it's going to be like 75 to 80 degrees today. Amazing, amazing for March. And then the winds are going to come, and then it's going to get cooler. So March is always one of those months where you never know what to expect. Every day is a box of chocolates. And I can't hear Kane. I don't know. Kane, I was going to tell Jimmy to ask Kane. Maybe he can help him, but Jimmy's audio is not working, unfortunately. But I have faith that after I get through the stats, maybe it will work. I put this in our group about I missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I lost almost 300 games. 26 times I was trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. And this, if you are. Here we go again, Jimmy. See if Jimmy comes up. Don't know. Oh. We need you. Try again. Anyway, if you are not watching what's going on in this market, I would think you need to, because things are changing. Things are really changing. We are not doing as many sales as we did last year. Look at March. The first 2 days of March, we did 175 a day. Now, part of that's because March 1st was on a Monday. I get it. But still, last year, we were doing at least 139 sales a day. We're down to 117. I don't know if it's going to continue to decrease. Well, I think March may be the telling month for us. Jimmy's going to try again. I hope, but I don't hear him. Da, da, da. Don't know, Jimmy. I don't know. Oh, we can watch your pretty face. Did you ask Kane for help? No. Oh, he's busy. I'm going to hide you while I do the stats. So if you're not taking the heed of what's going on now, you know, the median has jumped up a little bit. I still have it at 436, but and I'm not going to change it yet, but it probably is 450. So that means, you know, those homes that are coming on the market, I'm still showing you what's 436 and under, and I'm doing that because at the current interest rate, renters are still in the market. The rents are going up. We listed a home for rent yesterday. It's a Sun City home, 1,021 square feet. Would you believe it's $1,650? Now, if that house had been a little bit more upgraded, it would go for $1,800. So if you figure $1.65 a square foot, a couple years ago, 80 cents to 90 cents a square foot was what the rents were going for. So they've almost doubled. So that's bringing more investors into the market. And that's to me, if I'm renting, it gives me some motivation to get a home. Why am I paying somebody else's mortgage when my rent's $1,800 or $1,900 or $2,100 and I should be buying a home? Why am I renting? Why am I paying somebody else's mortgage? So, you know, these are tunes you need to start singing. You need to start learning how to convince somebody with your knowledge. And knowledge is power. It's so much power when you can show someone. And I'll bring back that rent versus buy show that slides that we did on a show last year. If you can't sing that song to somebody and show them why they should be buying, not renting. And then the second thing is, you know, get with a company that has a good credit repair. I know Nova is really good. They have a great credit repair. And they stay on top of it. They tell you exactly what to do, when to do it, how to do it. And so get prepared so that when you run across a renter that says, well, I got bad credit, you say, well, we have a company. Let me have them call you. Let me see if you know somebody that you would want to help you get your credit up to where you can buy a home. And then make sure that with a lender who like we use Nova, Shout out to Sheila, the lending lady. But anyway, so she knows, she's watching her company because it's a department in her company. And so they're communicating. And so she knows how to make that potential buyer feel comfortable. And as the prices rise, you don't want the first time home buyers to be out of the market just because of credit. And I would venture to guess that a lot of them are out of the market because of their credit. I mean, people can borrow some money for a down payment.